Show you a quick video on multiplying binomials, multiplying polynomials, specifically binomials. Remember, binomial means two terms. So we're taking two terms and multiplying it by two terms. You guys are used to using the distributive property, so I'm going to start off showing you how to do this using the distributive property. What you're doing is this is saying 2x plus 3 being multiplied by x minus 4. So this term, this 2x term, has to be multiplied by this entire x minus 4. And this positive 3 has to be multiplied by this x minus 4. So we can rewrite it so that it says 2x times x minus 4 plus 3 times x minus 4. And now this is a problem that you're familiar with knowing how to do. We're just distributing what's outside of the parentheses to both terms inside of parentheses. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times a negative 4 is negative 8x. Moving to the next set of parentheses, 3 times x is a positive 3x. And a positive 3 times a negative 4 is negative 12. So at this point, we just need to look and see, are there any like terms? There are. These both have x's, so they're like terms, and I can combine those. I cannot combine 2x squared with the 8x because the x squared and the 8x are two different terms. But negative 8x plus 3x combines to make negative 5x, and then bring down my negative 12. So when I multiplied this binomial times a binomial, I ended up with a trinomial. Okay, I want to show you what's called the FOIL method. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. So with FOIL method, we take the first term times the first term. We're doing the exact same thing. It's just a different way of thinking about it. So first times first is x times x, which is x squared. Outside times outside. What's on the outsides of each set of parentheses? That's this x times this 4, which gives me a 4x. What's on the inside of each set of parentheses? Well, these are my inside terms. So negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And then L stands for last. What's last in each set of parentheses? So I do negative 4 times a positive 4, which is negative 16. So then I can just write it. X squared plus 4x minus 4x minus 16, combine my like terms, negative 4x taken away from a positive 4x, 4x taken away 4x is nothing, so I'm left with x squared minus 16. Once again, you could have set that up the same way and said, okay, x times x plus 4, and minus 4 is being times by x plus 4, and then did the distributive property, and you'd get the same answer. X times x is x squared, x times 4 is 4x. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. We can see that that becomes 0. So I'm left with x squared minus 16. Whatever way is easier for you is perfectly fine by me. And then I want to do one more quick example where there are different variables. Still the same process, same technique. It doesn't matter to me if you distribute twice or you use the FOIL method. Technically, you're distributing twice with the FOIL method. It's just how you think about it. So the way I do it in my mind, h times 2g would just be 2gh. H times a negative 3 is negative 3h. 10 times 2g is a positive 20g. And 10 times negative 3 is negative 30. So, you hear my dog snoring. I'm sorry. This distance learning thing is not working out for me very well, guys. I'm so sorry. Anyway, 2gh minus 3h plus 20g minus 30. None of these are like terms because this one has a g and an h. This one only has an h. This only has a g. This is a constant. So we have to leave it as 4 terms as a polynomial. So this is our final answer. I will post a Word document for you guys to answer some questions on. I do want to see your work. Please do not share your work. I want to see your work. Thanks and have a great day.